Welcome back to our system design series. In today's episode, we are diving into content delivery networks, CDNs. They are a powerful tool for speeding up content delivery to users around the world. By the end of this video, you will understand what is a CDN, how it works, and why it is so crucial for improving the performance and scalability of our web applications. And I would say it's a pretty important topic in your system design interview, so you should pay attention in this one. So, if you had ever streamed a video that will load a file or accessed a website that load instantly, there is a good chance a content delivery network was behind that experience. A CDN is designed to reduce latency and ensure that users can access content quickly no matter where they are in the world. So let's assume that you are the client. Let's take an example. So let's say we have a client and the client is requesting let's say a specific photo from the server. So the server will go to obtain this photo from a blob storage, for example. Okay. And when when the server once the plop storage is obtained, it will be sent back to the client. What the CDN will do is that the CDN will cache this image and will basically put it closer to a place which is closer to the client. So when the client try to see the exact same photo again, or any other clients trying to see the exact same photo again, and instead of going all of this process, which is quite long, that takes time as well, it will try to fetch it directly from the CDN, which improve the scalability, reliability, and user experience and reduce the latency. So a content delivery network, or CDN, is a geographically distributed network of servers that work together to deliver web content like images, videos, and HTML pages more effectively and efficiently to users. And instead of fetching content from a single center server, a CDN will cache the content at multiple locations called edge servers that are closer to the end users. Okay, this is how it works basically. And by storing copies of the content on servers closer to users, CDNs help reduce the time it takes for data to travel between the user and the server, which is known as latency. This means faster loading time for websites, better streaming quality for videos, and an overall improved user experience. So let's understand how does the CDN actually work. So let's try to understand this again from scratch. Let's say that when a user makes a request, for example, by visiting a website, the request is routed to the nearest server edges in the CDN network. If the requested content is available on that server edge, it's delivered to the user immediately. This is called a cache hit. Okay, if the content is not available on the edge server, the request will be forwarded to the original server. Okay, this called a cache miss. Once the content is fetched from the original server, let's say from the blob storage, and it will be sent back to the user, and it will be sent to the client. Once the content is fetched the origin from the original server, it's also stored at edge server for future requests, reducing latency for subsequent users in that area. So overall, using a CDN in your system design comes with numerous benefits. The first thing, which will be reduced latency, because CDNs bring content closer to users by caching it at edge locations, which significantly reduce latency and speed up page load times. Number two, improved reliability. So with content distributed across multiple servers, CDNs can handle network congestion and traffic spikes more effectively, ensuring a consistent and reliable user experience. Number three, load balancing. So CDNs help balance the load on your servers by offloading requests to edge servers, reducing strain on your origin server and minimize the risk of downtime. And lastly, enhanced security. So many CDNs offer additional security features such as DDoS protection, which helps mitigate attacks by distributing the traffic across multiple edge servers. So, a real world example of a CDN, which will be Cloudflare, is one of the most popular CDNs providers. Basically, it's offering both caching and security features. They also help delivery content for millions of websites, ensuring a quick access and protection against cyber attacks. There is also Akami, which is used by major streaming platforms to ensure smooth video playback for viewers worldwide. So in CDN in the system design, CDNs are often used to deliver the static content such as images, CSS file, and JavaScript directly from the edge servers, while dynamic content is fetched from the origin server. This helps offload traffic from your servers and reduces latency for end users. So to summarize everything, a content delivery network or CDN are essentials for delivering content faster, reducing server load, and improving the reliability of your web application. They are a must have for any system design that aims to provide users with fast, consistent experience, no matter where they are in the world. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video and see you in the future.